Here is a quick lesson on how to perfectly air fry your salmon every single time. So first, I want to talk about a couple benefits of air frying your salmon. First, right, it's very, very quick. It's very, very easy, and you don't have to turn on an oven or a large appliance in order to accomplish it. Really, really great about air frying your salmon is you can actually cook your salmon from frozen in the air fryer. And you can go to wildalaskancompany.com to check out some of those air fry from frozen recipes, and they will guide you on how to do that expertly. Also, this is a great technique to use when you maybe want to cube up your salmon first. This allows you to get crispiness on a lot more of the surface area of the salmon. I love doing this for quick teriyaki bowls. It gets nice crispy salmon and it gives a lot of surface area for all that wonderful teriyaki sauce to stick to. You want to start by patting your fish dry. It's always really important that you start with a dry portion. This just prohibits any sort of steaming that is going to happen during that cooking process. And since we are air frying, right, we are using heat and moving air. It's like a convection oven. When we are using this method, it's very, very important to add some sort of fat on top of the whole fillet. You want to coat the fillet in fat, whether that be a neutral oil like I'm using today, or olive oil, or something else that you maybe have lying around. You want to make sure to get some oil on there to make sure you get that crispy exterior. And yeah, once you have your portion oiled up and ready to go, you'll want to season it before you put it in. This would also be a good time to add any sauces that you want to include in your meal. I also like to season the skin. All right, and once we have our fish seasoned, it is easy as that. From here, we're going to turn on our air fryer. I'm gonna set this to 375 degrees, and we are gonna cook this piece of fish for about 8 to 10 minutes. So once we have our air fryer started, I'll open it up here. We'll bring our basket out. I'm gonna put my fish skin side down, pop it right back in, and we will see you in about 8 minutes. All right, it is time to pull our salmon out of the air fryer. So let's open this thing up and take a look at our portion. Wow, it already looks really, really good. You can see some great crispy caramelization on it. Now let's take the temperature of it. And let's see where we're at. And it looks like, let's see if we can get the coldest part of the fillet. And it looks like we're sitting right around 135, 136. So a little bit over medium, but that's totally fine. This is still gonna be a wonderful portion of salmon. I have no doubt that it's gonna flake well and be really, really, really juicy. So let's get this plated up. And if you don't have that digital thermometer, once again, there's a couple other visual cues that you can lean on to know that your portion is done, right? One, you can take a look at the middle of the portion. You just kind of get in there, pull it apart a little bit and see if that fillet is done to your liking. The fat is rendered out nice. It is still moist. And let's take a bite of this. So good. This is such a quick, easy, fast way to enjoy your salmon. Here is your perfect air-fried fillet. Thanks for watching, and live wild.